Okay, so it's Vlogmas day 2. I am still in my PJs that I got yesterday, little Christmas PJs, and I've literally been trying to fix this camera all like morning. It stopped last night. It died on me. It said that there was no more room on the memory card, but then I don't know, everything was just not working. Nothing was transferring. None of the files were transferring to the laptop, and I was having a really hard time uploading the video to YouTube, uploading it to iMovie. Everything just went wrong. So I finally fixed it. I was finally able to upload the vlog from yesterday. So that's live right now. Excuse my face. I've just been trying to fix this issue all day. I cleaned a little bit, so right now I'm gonna go upstairs, clean my office, and then I wanted to color my hair later, so I think I'm gonna do that if I have time. I need to go pick up a rug from a friend in a little bit, so I'm hoping to get that done and then maybe do my nails. I was gonna wrap all the gifts today, but that's gonna take a long time, and it's already like almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So I have my Red Bull, I just poured it in a glass, and I'm gonna get started cleaning. Hopefully I'll get my hair and my nails done today, and then I'll cook dinner because I've already cleaned everything. Everything's pretty much done. So let's go upstairs and start on my office. Okay, so I am actually gonna go downstairs and get my tripod because I need to bring my stuff back up here anyway, and I need something to put the camera on because you're not gonna get the whole room if I just put you on my desk. So while I was setting up my lights and my camera, I went downstairs and got a banana. So now I need to figure out how to set up my office. I'm out of breath from walking up the stairs. How to set up my office because I work from home, so I do all my work in here, and then I've been filming in our guest room just because there's more space. I want everything to be able to be done here, the working, filming, and I want to keep the bed in here, so I don't know how to do that, how to make room for the lighting and the tripod and the monitor. Hopefully I can figure it out. Okay, I'm gonna switch you guys to the opposite side. That way I can clean off my desk area. So my office is pretty much done now. I just have to vacuum, but I'll do that later. But so this is how it looks. Again, it's empty, but there's just the bed, the TV. I have my light right there. My other light is outside of the room. Here's the window, the door, and then my desk area, and then the closet. It's 6:15. I'm gonna get started on dinner a little bit early because I want to be able to color my hair and do my nails and watch the Victoria's Secret fashion show. So I'm gonna do dinner a little bit early. So I think I'm just gonna make shrimp scampi with linguine noodles. So I just have the bag of frozen shrimp, and let me get the noodles. I saw this on Pinterest. I haven't made it yet, and it said just to use the shrimp scampi, the garlic butter shrimp scampi packets. So I got 2 of these, the pack of the shrimp and the noodles. So it should be pretty easy. Okay guys, so I didn't end up doing my hair or my nails because I thought I had bleach and I didn't. That's the only thing I didn't have. And then when I was going to do my nails, my cousin came over and we just watched the Victoria's Secret fashion show. So I'm going to end the vlog here, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully the vlogs will get better. But anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow.